Maximize definition, maximize in a sentence, maximize pronunciation, maximize meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of maximize. Max-i-mize. Max-i-mize. Maximize. Maximize as a verb means to make as large as possible, or to make the best use of. Common usages in academic writing: to maximize the value, to maximize the benefits, to maximize the profits, to maximize the potential, to maximize returns. Example sentences: maximize, verb. The only viable option to maximize profits was to replace the carbon fiber mesh with something more affordable. Example sentence number 2. Additional aerodynamics testing will be needed to maximize the aircraft's acceleration potential. Please write a sentence using maximize in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of maximize, the meaning of maximize, and maximize example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.